Hello, today we will learn the phrase get down on something. This is a useful phrasal verb in English. Get down on something can mean two things. First, it means to criticize or be disappointed in someone or something. For example, don't get down on yourself if you make a mistake. Second, it means to start working seriously on a task. For example, I need to get down on my homework tonight. Remember, context is important. If someone says she got down on the team, it means she criticized them. If someone says, let's get down on the project, it means start working hard. You can use get down on with many objects, such as yourself, others, tasks, mistakes, or problems. Be careful not to confuse it with get down to, which means to begin working seriously. Also, don't mix it with look down on, which means to think less of someone. Practice using get down on something in your daily conversations. Try sentences like, don't get down on your mistakes, or let's get down on the report now. This phrase is common in informal English. Use it to express criticism or focus. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.